welcome back to my channel. My name is Chloe, and before we get started, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a future video and you'll become Sparky. And sorry if you hear background noise. And today I'm gonna be doing a fidget haul, and I just got these fidgets, but I had some homemade fidgets before I got these because I just got these today. Alright. I'm just gonna take one out of the box. So, firstly, I have the wonderful puppets. You can't hear the side because it's the quiet side, but tell me if you hear this. You hear it a little, but not the best. Alright, let's do this side, the loud side. On this side, it's the best. Easy to do. It's hard to do it when I'm holding my camera. So we'll just do it like this. Alright. Next, we have, let's get them, my two snakes. They're like wacky tracks, but they're different from them. You can like take them apart, but I don't know that I'm a new fidgeter. But you could just play around it in your hand. 1 second, I need to fix this one. Alright, next we have my, let's get them. Yep, I have them all in the box that you saw earlier. It is my fidget spinners, and I have one downstairs. Oops, I dropped them. Well, I just dropped the soccer ball ones. Yep, and if you wonder what that purple thing is, it's my purple fidget spinner. Don't fall. Right, I'm the best at spinning this one. So, if you want to see me spin it, just watch. I just need to. Right. Next, we have. Sorry, if you see the poppet. Next, we have the wonderful marble and mesh. I have two. Let's see. So the marble's in there. Yep. We just move the marble around. Next, we have the miniature thing pop tube. I love this one. My brother calls it like the fart tube thing, since it sounds like a fart. we have the monkey noodles. Can't find my third one. Alright. Alright, so yeah, here they are. Here's my monkey noodles. My dad got the pop tube ones and tried to put the monkey noodles in, but then he was like, oh, the other side has a hole in it. And my brother calls these boogers. Right, so there we go. And I love these. My 2 stress balls. Second one. Alright. And now we have a Rubik's Cube. Sorry, there's a tape. No. I don't know how to solve this. Alright. Now we have some Play-Doh slime. And we have the wonderful puzzle heart thing. Guess what this is? The fidget pad. Wait, I need to play a game. Yes, I won. An infinity cube. Ooh. Beautiful. My second favorite, my first favorite is the Poppet. My mochis, I have my unicorn, my little brown bear, and my little squirrel. I like this one a little because like it has detail on the tail. My favorite mochi is the brown bear. And now we have the one and only, 1 second, Wacky Track. Alright, now we have this ball thing. You can squish it, you can just roll it around in your hands. And you have this ball in here, and there's a maze. Oh no. And you need to just get it up to the top. I couldn't do that. And now we have the century ring. My golden century ring. And I have 2 more. I'll just show you them together. The bike chain and a spiky ball. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and you'll become a Sparky. Alright, Sparky, bye.